last day. I am. Nice day. Focus. So now let's try the product review mode or something like that. So now I turned on the product reviewing mode. Oh, it's so good. So good. So good.
Yeah. Let's go. Hey. When I pull up in my ride, whole squad down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping this grind. When I pull up in my ride.
So it's been like maybe one day or less than one day since I started using this camera. Sorry, morning, this hike so hard. So yeah, it's been like less than 24 hours since I grabbed this camera, but I already love this camera so much. As I can see through this monitor, the image quality is fantastic. More than that, this build quality, design, size, weight, it feels so luxury. Jesus. Not bad. Anyway, I have probably only like 2 hours, 1.5 hours to 2 hours here, so I'm gonna start. I want to start, but I am like wet. I'm done with this. Totally wasted. My hands, heart, sweaty, dirty. I just want to take a shower immediately. Let's go back to home. Can we? So, because of that big fall at the morning climbing session, I smashed my right hand right here, and now it's swollen and hard so much, but I think it's not broken. So now I'm just walking, just making, you know, the planning next video, and I got a couple of editing, and today will be done after that. Nice day. By the way, this eye tracking is unbelievable. Even without touching my eyes, it just you know keeps tracking my eyes automatically. What about autofocus? I mean tracking. Incredible. So my day starts from walking with dogs. You know, this is just, you know, the warm-up for my next running session. And every day there's a training session. It's freaking exhausting, but it's so Like, you know, I feel so energetic by running. Yeah, I can be so positive by this. So this is, you know, one of my favorite training session. So I came here for shooting. Here I'm gonna shoot is using full frame lenses on a basic camera is a good idea, bad idea, some kind of that video. You know, the morning running and climbing stamina session were so hard. So I feel less energy right now. So that's why my hair is just like this, you know, without any gel or wax. But yeah, let's do it. The footage is from this ZV-E1 and I was so surprised by the quality of audio because this is internal. This is, you know, internal microphone right here, and you can choose the direction of sound, like front, back, and everything. That function is so amazing, so amazing. Full frame lenses on FAC cameras, it could be a good idea, but it could be a bad idea depending on you. But first, let's talk about I have to think about the system. I mean, the battery charging system. Like, there is a charging station right here, like under the desk. I mean, not under. I mean, technically over the desk. So every time I need to, So every time I need to, every time I need a battery, I need to charge, I need to, bring it out, I have to do like this. The last check was just done. Uploading, not upload, exporting. Do you want to know my export setting on Premiere Pro? Yes? If you do, let me know in the comment below. Maybe in next vlog, I might share this. Not done yet. I have to start editing this video because I don't know where I'm at right now on this video. Like, do I have to shoot more or do I have to end it already? I'm not sure about it, so I gotta check it. I gotta check where the hell am I at right now. Actually, I finished uploading. It's scheduled to be uploaded at the 8 p.m. No, 9 p.m. tonight. So today is the last day of this vlog with ZV-E1. You know, video series about ZV-E1 is not done yet. I'm gonna make a couple of videos about this camera. But now, something new is in my hand. This camera. Oh, I think I'm not gonna show you. Well, I can show you this camera. Lumix S5II X with 14 to 28mm f4.5.6. Lumix sent me Lumix let me borrow those gears for free. You know, they reached out to me and they offer me like, hey, Ken, I watched your S5II review and it was fantastic, and would you like to test our gears for free, and then maybe you can give us you know, feedback, something like that. Thank you, Lumix. Sony never reached out to me, even at once. Never. They never. So yeah, anyway, I'm shooting, you know, a couple of videos at the same time. This camera about this camera, and video about this camera, and video about like ZV-E1 versus FX30, you know, that kind of video. Those days, I think it's almost 2 weeks, like a days with ZV-E1 vlog. Those days with ZV-E1 were so fantastic. I mean, you know, thanks to this camera, I bring the camera outside more than usual, more than before. So, and it was so fun, so much fun to vlog, you know, document my days. So, really love this camera, really. And I think it's time to end this vlog, and I'm gonna move on to next project, next coming, waiting project. So, one thing I noticed, one thing I want to do in the future is that making vlogs, a lot of vlogs. You know, it's okay to be very casual, to be, you know, not professional, but I just want to, you know, document my days, you know, making casual vlogs to connect with you guys. So I'm gonna upload, like, you know, vlogs on my second channel, like this video. But you know, I think it's gonna be more casual than this, but yeah, some kind of vlogs will be on my second channel. This camera made me realize the joy of vlogging, the perfect vlogging camera. But my conclusion is a little bit different. I'm gonna give you a little like sneak peek. This is not an entry-level camera. That is my conclusion. But I'm gonna dive in. I'm gonna, you know, dive so deep in this camera. Who is this for? Is this worth buying? You know, such those things. I'm gonna do that at the full detailed review of this camera, which is coming so soon after this video. So thank you for watching until now. Those are my regular days. I'm not faking, I'm not lying, just, you know, straight out from my personality. And I hope you guys enjoy it and get some, I don't know, motivation or some inspiration, energy, I don't know, something, at least some positive thing. I am so glad if you guys get that. So if you like this video, show me a thumb and then hit the subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, which is the detailed full review of this camera. See ya.